for the 20th of August, 2024. A powerful hurricane has landed on Sweet Peak Island. Our faithful weather correspondent Jose went to see how the situation is on the street. Jose, how is it out there?
Hello, this is Jose reporting live. I'm standing on Sweet Peak Street, and the hurricane is heading right this way. I don't get paid enough for this. I could get blown away any minute. I'm out of here.
We asked some islanders for their thoughts on the matter.
Well. I never believe this kind of news.
Thanks for watching. For your Me News for August 20th, this is Zelda Hyrule, signing off.